Things you must have to know about the Irreecha festival.
What does it mean to truly give thanks? How does gratitude not only honor the past, but also pave the way for the future? Today, we are diving deep into one of the most profound cultural ceremonies that has stood the test of time, the irreecha celebration of the Oromo people of Ethiopia. This festival is not just a simple Thanksgiving event. It embodies a living tradition, representing an eternal message of resilience, unity, and peace that resonates through generations. Welcome to Simanchuv, where we bring you inspiring stories from around the world. In this episode, we will explore how traditions can hold such deep meaning and how gratitude can connect generations, fueling the spirit of a people. If you're curious about the significance of cultural celebrations, stay tuned as we unravel the remarkable story of the Oromo people and their vibrant celebration.